Technology is the application of knowledge for achieving practical goals in a reproducible way. It can be anything from simple tools and machines to complex systems and processes. Technology can be used to improve our lives in many ways, such as by making us more productive, helping us to communicate and collaborate more effectively, and providing us with new forms of entertainment and recreation. Technology can be divided into two main categories. Hard technology. This includes physical objects such as computers, smartphones, cars, and airplanes. Soft technology. This includes intangible things such as software, algorithms, and business processes. Technology is constantly evolving, and new innovations are emerging all the time. This can be both exciting and daunting, as it can be difficult to keep up with the latest trends. However, it is also important to remember that technology is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad. It is up to us to use technology responsibly and ethically. Here are some examples of technology in our everyday lives. Computers and smartphones. We use computers and smartphones for a variety of tasks, such as communicating with others, working on documents, and accessing information. The Internet has revolutionized the way we communicate, learn, and do business. Transportation. Cars, trains, airplanes, and other modes of transportation allow us to travel quickly and easily. Medicine. Advances in medical technology have helped to improve our health and extend our lifespans. Agriculture. Technology has helped farmers to produce more food with fewer resources. Technology is a powerful force that can be used to make the world a better place. It is important to be aware of the potential benefits and risks of technology, and to use it responsibly. Technology has had a profound impact on society, and its influence is only going to grow in the years to come. Here are some of the ways that technology is changing our world. Communication. Technology has made it easier than ever to communicate with people all over the world. We can now use social media, video conferencing, and other tools to stay in touch with friends and family, collaborate with colleagues, and learn from experts. Education. Technology is transforming the way we learn. Students can now access educational resources from anywhere in the world, and they can learn at their own pace. Technology is also being used to personalize learning and provide students with more engaging and interactive experiences. Work. Technology is changing the way we work. Many jobs that were once done manually are now being automated. Technology is also enabling new ways of working, such as remote work and gig work. Healthcare. Technology is revolutionizing healthcare. We can now use wearable devices to track our health data, and we can use telemedicine to consult with doctors from anywhere in the world. Technology is also being used to develop new treatments and cures for diseases. Transportation. Technology is making transportation more efficient and sustainable. We can now use self-driving cars and public transportation to get around without having to drive ourselves. Technology is also being used to develop new transportation systems, such as hyperloops. These are just a few examples of the many ways that technology is changing our world. As technology continues to evolve, it is likely to have an even greater impact on our lives. Here are some specific examples of new technologies that are emerging and having a significant impact. Artificial intelligence. AI is being used to develop new products and services, automate tasks, and improve decision-making. For example, AI is being used to develop self-driving cars, medical diagnostic tools, and personalized marketing campaigns. Robotics. Robotics is being used to automate tasks in manufacturing, healthcare, and other industries. Robots are becoming more sophisticated and capable, and they are being used to do jobs that were once thought to be solely the domain of humans.
Technology has had a profound impact on society, and its influence is only going to grow in the years to come. Here are some of the ways that technology is changing our world. Communication. Technology has made it easier than ever to communicate with people all over the world. We can now use social media, video conferencing, and other tools to stay in touch with friends and family, collaborate with colleagues, and learn from experts. Education. Technology is transforming the way we learn. Students can now access educational resources from anywhere in the world, and they can learn at their own pace. Technology is also being used to personalize learning and provide students with more engaging and interactive experiences. Work. Technology is changing the way we work. Many jobs that were once done manually are now being automated. Technology is also enabling new ways of working, such as remote work and gig work. Healthcare. Technology is revolutionizing healthcare. We can now use wearable devices to track our health data, and we can use telemedicine to consult with doctors from anywhere in the world. Technology is also being used to develop new treatments and cures for diseases. Transportation. Technology is making transportation more efficient and sustainable. We can now use self-driving cars and public transportation to get around without having to drive ourselves. Technology is also being used to develop new transportation systems, such as hyperloops. These are just a few examples of the many ways that technology is changing our world. As technology continues to evolve, it is likely to have an even greater impact on our lives. Here are some specific examples of new technologies that are emerging and having a significant impact. Artificial intelligence (AI). AI is being used to develop new products and services, automate tasks, and improve decision-making. For example, AI is being used to develop self-driving cars, medical diagnostic tools, and personalized marketing campaigns. Robotics. Robotics is being used to automate tasks in manufacturing, healthcare, and other industries. Robots are becoming more sophisticated and capable, and they are being used to do jobs that were once thought to be solely the domain of humans. 3D printing. 3D printing is being used to create prototypes, products, and even entire buildings. 3D printing is becoming more affordable and accessible, and it is having a major impact on manufacturing and design. Blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that is being used to create secure and transparent digital transactions. Blockchain is being used to develop new financial products and services, and it is also being used to track and manage supply chains. These are just a few of the many new technologies that are emerging and having a significant impact on our world. It is an exciting time to be alive, and it is clear that technology will continue to play an ever-increasing role in our lives. It is important to be aware of the potential benefits and risks of new technologies. We need to ensure that these technologies are used for good, and that they do not have unintended negative consequences. We also need to be mindful of the ethical implications of new technologies, and we need to ensure that they are used in a way that respects human rights and values. Technology is a powerful force, and it is up to us to use it wisely.
Space technology is technology for use in outer space, in travel, astronautics, or other activities beyond Earth's atmosphere, for purposes such as space flight, space exploration, and Earth observation. Space technology includes space vehicles such as spacecraft, satellites, space stations, and orbital launch vehicles, deep space communication, in-space propulsion, and a wide variety of other technologies including support infrastructure equipment, and procedures. Space technology has had a significant impact on our understanding of the universe and our place in it. It has also led to the development of many new technologies that have benefited society on Earth. Here are some of the key areas of space technology. Spacecraft. Spacecraft are vehicles that are designed to travel in space. They are used for a variety of purposes, including carrying astronauts, satellites, and scientific instruments. Spacecraft are made from lightweight materials and are equipped with powerful engines that allow them to travel at high speeds. Satellites are objects that orbit Earth or other planets. They are used for a variety of purposes, including communication, navigation,